Hello friends and welcome to Dipansh video time. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a simple bouncing game in Scratch. So our player will be bouncing off the ground. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make that. So I'm going to just use a normal cacti sprite. Make a new sprite which is going to be our ground. So an outline of 4, so a normal ground right over there. Okay, good. Now as we have this ready, let's just make a simple backdrop. I'm just gonna make our backdrop blue. Blue looks nice for this type of games. There. Okay, good. Now let's just make Scratchy a little tiny. So one flat click for the hats or your sprite. I will make a new variable called bouncy scratchy. So bouncy scratchy. I will do it for all sprites. Set bouncy scratchy to 0. And then I will make our player go to x negative. Go to x8 and y1 to 9. Or you can just put it on 0. I want this to go right at the middle. Next is that forever I will make a block. Name this block bouncy scratchy also. Scratchy. Run without screen refresh. Put the bouncy scratchy in there. Good. Now define this bouncy scratchy forever. So it is already in the forever loop. So just forget putting a forever. I will take out a change bouncy scratchy by -1. Change y by bouncy scratchy. So change y by bouncy scratchy, and then it will just go through. Let me just save my project. So good, it's starting at the position we wanted. Now, if touching sprite 2, then set bouncy scratchy to 5. Okay, so let's just clean up the blocks. So this is in order. Let's test it. Okay, so it is bouncing. If we just change the value, it will bounce more. 90. Okay, so I'm just playing around with the numbers until it's a good number. Okay, good. So we are already making our player bounce. It has only been 3 minutes. Okay, so only 3 minutes, right? Let me quickly tell you what this script does. So when the flag is clicked, it first makes our y go to 0 because we are changing y by bouncy scratchy because that is our bouncy variable. Next is to set our position. So it is going to set our position to a certain position. Next, forever, we are going to go to the custom block. So what is our custom block doing? Change bouncy scratchy by -1. So that will change our scratchy cat by -1. So it will just fall because we are again changing y by bouncy scratchy. Now if we are touching the ground, it will just set y, which is the variable bouncy scratchy, by 20. So it will go up. And then this can do a bouncing effect. Now, if you watch this video, please like and subscribe. Until next time, Dipansh video time out. Plus, scratch on everybody. Scratch on.